Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Muddathir from Legacy School, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Scratch from the internet on your laptop. First you want to open an Internet Explorer. In this example I'm going to open Firefox. Go to the URL bar and type scratch.mit.edu and press enter. The official website for Scratch programming will open here. To download Scratch on your computer, scroll to the bottom of the page, and in support list over here you'll find download. Click on download. It will take you to another website. This is the download web page. Scroll down and click on direct download. A message will show confirming that you want to save this file. Simply click on save file. The download will begin. Wait for the download to be over. When the download is over, simply you will have the source file to which you can install Scratch. So you will find it in downloads folder. You can right click on the Internet Explorer and go to downloads, or you can also find downloads to the left side of the Internet Explorer right here. So click on it, and this is the file that you have downloaded from the official website of Scratch. Double click on this file and the installation will begin. All you have to do is click on install and then next until you have the Scratch installed on your laptop. When the installation is done, you will find the Scratch shortcut icon to open Scratch from here. Just simply double click on it and you will be ready to work with Scratch. And there it is. Well, I hope this works with you guys. Good luck. Bye.